Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sailor K Ganesh. Today we are going for CCR round cargo control room. My chief officer will familiarize you with CCR. Chief officer will hear you explain about CCR.
Hello guys,
Good
this is
morning
Chief
sir.
Officer on tanker. He is my friend. We are working together. I have 14 years sailing experience on board, and today I will familiarize you with my cargo control room. Here we go. Okay guys, here we have loadicator, one of the most important equipment on CCR. We have two sets of loadicator over here. One is online, one is offline. So this loadicator is basically used to calculate the cargo data and to finalize the cargo of what we are going to load. It is a very useful equipment for a chief officer. Other equipments I will show you one by one. Here we have some gas meter, this charging point for the gas meter, and we are continuously charging these equipments in case of an emergency, or we are going for the rounds of any enclosed space. We are checking the gas with this gas monitor, and this is called a personal gas monitor, and this is a portable gas. So with the personal gas meter, when the person is going inside the tank, he must carry the personal gas meter with him. Also during the manifold watches, we are keeping this along with us. So this is before going inside the tank, we are checking the gas with this gas meter. This is multi-gas meter and having four sets of gas inside it. Like it can measure oxygen, hydrocarbon and CO is a carbon monoxide, and H2S, which is very harmful for the health. Okay, let's go to the main cargo control room. Here we go. Okay, this is my cargo control room, and here we have the panel. This is what we are looking for. This here we have all the tanks level. You can see the gauges are here. We are monitoring the cargo loading and unloading from here, and we have other functions also inside. I will be continuing in the next video. I'm going for the short round now. This is we have a hydraulic VRCS power pack system. So this is used to operate the our tank walls, the pumps. We have 14 sets of tank pumps and the ballast pump. So all these pumps are running through the VRCS system. So we have this Framo pump over here. This Framo pump is working with the hydraulic, and here we have a hydraulic power pack system. The two sets electric system and two sets of diesel power pack we have. Okay, here what we have is this called ODME, Oil Discharge Monitoring Control System, ODME. This is used basically to decant the dirty sludge to the sea, and this is very oftenly used when we have a dirty sludge on the residual oil tank, ROT tank. Then we use this ODME to decant the dirty waters through this ODME system. Here we have a vapor control emission system. This is VECS system. This is basically required when we have some countries, they are not allowing us to release the vapor on the deck because it is very harmful for the nature and for the local environment. So they are providing with the vapor line, which is supposed to be discharged to the vapor line to the shore, and they have a tank over there to collect the vapors. So this system is only for collecting the vapors, and we are here monitoring the vapor pressure and how much oxygen content we are passing to the vessel or to the shore. Okay, the another set of equipment is a gas, this is a repeater panel for the flammable gas detector. The fixed gas detector we have behind this panel, I will show you later on, and this is a repeater for that. So this is connected with all the ballast tank and few spaces in the accommodation like AC room or accommodation inside, few places it is there. So in case any hazardous gas is inside the tank, and we will come to know over there that gas is detected over here, and we will come to know that what hazardous gas is over there. Okay, here we have wind alarm system. So during the cargo operation, duty officer can monitor the gas from here. Monitor the wind speed and wind direction from here. So in our ship shore safety checklist, the requirement is that if you have a 25 knots wind speed, then you must stop your cargo operation. If it is exceeding 30 knots wind speed, then you must disconnect the hose, and if it is more than 35 knot speed, generally this is the average parameter in all the terminals. So in 35 knots speed, better to cast off from the terminal and go to the sea, because this is creating another scene of cyclone or something. Then so it is very useful equipment during the cargo operation. We can monitor the wind speed over here, and wind direction is from here. What next we have? We have a fire control panel for emergency fire pump and other fire pump. We can now start from here. Okay, I'll go here. This is our inert gas generator control panel. So as you know, this is a IG control system. So when on tanker, it is very useful because you have hazardous and you have static cargoes inside the tank, and it can explode anytime. So we are using inert gas to avoid this kind of situation. So we are topping up with the tanks, the IG all the time. So we can start the IG from here. Here we have the new BWTS system. Its requirement came in 2018. Now all the ships must have this BWTS system. Here on board we have electrolysis BWTS system. Uh, this is the Sunrai Balcor system. So this is also the system is for treating the ballast water so that we can discharge in any sea conditions anywhere on the port, and it will treat the ballast and then only it will take in the tanks. Here we have emergency shutdown system, emergency shutdown ESD. This is also another requirement, and if anything goes wrong or anything goes abnormal during the operations, if we are doing discharging and any leakage on the deck, then we can press the shutdown button from the manifold or other locations, and it will trip all the pumps, and we will get the alarm over here. Okay, we'll go back side. Here we have fixed. Here we have fire alarm control repeater panel. The main panel is on the bridge and is the repeater. This is the fixed gas sampling system what I was talking about. This is, as I already explained you, this is used to monitor the gas of ballast tank as well as few other tanks and void spaces and few places in the accommodation. Here we have an alarm panel for the high pressure, low pressure, and other alarms are there. So same alarm we are getting on the panel, maybe panel on the front side. Here we have important thing. This is called the overfill and high level alarm. This overfill and high level alarm is supposed to be tied out before arrival of any port. And if you have cargo 90%, then 95%, then you will get the high level alarm. And if cargo exceed to 98% of the tank, then it will get the overfill alarm. So this is very important when you are loading actually. So your tanks will not overshoot, and you will get before that information before that. So we have some spare walkie-talkies with the chargers, spare batteries here, and this is a common control alarm panel for engine room, deck, and bridge everywhere. So we are getting alarm for everything here also. This is all I think we have here in cargo control room. Detailed video will include in the next video. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to give my viewers
Thank you.
very good
Thank you, guys.
information. Thank you, sir. Thank you.